Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix camera black streak error in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to use your camera app, you must see a black screen on your back camera or on your front camera. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update because sometimes it might be when your phone have any pending software update, you might see these type glitches or errors in your phone. Go to settings here and go to software update section. Click on check for updates. Make sure that you're connected to the internet and your phone having pending software update. If you might have decided to update your software, after updating your software, you have to retry to check if it's fixed your issue or not. If your issue is still not fixed, just keep a long press on your camera app. Click on this I button or info icon here and click on the storage option. Now once you're in storage section, you will see clear cache. Just click on it. You can also try to clear data of your camera app. Now once you've cleared your data, just go to permissions section here and make sure that you have allowed all the permissions. Now once you have done, you have to retry to check if it fixed your issue or not. So your issue might have been fixed. But if you're still facing the same issue, just scroll down control center, click on this power icon here, click on restart, and now just restart your device. So once your device has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. I also recommend you have to try to clean your camera from your front camera and your back camera because sometimes it might be that there is any dirt or any dust on your camera, so you're unable to use your camera app as well. So in this way you can easily fix your camera issues in your Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.